Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you guys had a fantastic Monday. Today, I'm going to be going over my trades I took today in the Forex world and what I'm looking for in my next swing trade for options. Let's go to options first, though. So Amazon, 4 hour right here. You can tell that we are in a huge resistance zone right now, so I think I'm going to wait another day to verify that we're going to break to the downside, because 4 hour, that second candlestick is actually red. So if we can open somewhat around this area and then just start making that move to the downside, I'll go into puts. Today would have been really, really good for some calls or puts day trading, though, because if you go down here to the 5 minute, you could see that we broke up this way, then kind of consolidated over here with that pump to get you quite a bit of percentages here. But we also did have that huge break to the downside as well, which would have been really good for super quick profit on puts. But like I said, I'm going to wait for tomorrow to see if we can have a break to the downside, because then that would confirm my put swings. Now let's go to the more interesting stuff. Trades I took today. Okay, so I wanted to try using my bias on the 4 hour time frame in Forex. Okay, so whatever it looks like is going to happen on the 4 hour, that's what my bias is going to be for my day trading or my scalping, whatever I end up doing that day, depending on what setups look like. And as you can tell, let me zoom in for you guys here. This was market open on yesterday, on Sunday. That was market open. So you could tell that even from right here, it looked like this was going to at least come back down and touch this area right here. So if you go down here to the 5 minute, I actually spotted a neckline right here. And basically what I wanted to happen, as you can see, these are what these drawings are for. I wanted this to come down, which it did yesterday. Or then I wanted it to have that break of structure and move back up just to touch that zone. Or then we'd go in for some shorts and ride that down. And look exactly what happened. You have that break to the downside, you have that break of structure, we move back up, we hit that neckline, and we drop. This one wasn't huge because, like I told you guys before, I'm waiting for it to touch this area, right? So I mean, overall, that's like a 37 pip move. Very quick, because it was just a quick down draw after this little bit of consolidation. So I couldn't really complain about that. But then we hit another banger. We have another neckline right here. You can tell, huge support, right? Turning into resistance, and then going back into support, or going back into resistance. So here's the neckline. We break that structure to the downside, we break the structure and climb back up to touch that zone, and then we fall back down. Absolutely beautiful trade. And I actually entered right off that break once it started to come back down. I didn't really care if it came back up, because my stop loss would have been right here above this high. So 21 pip stop loss, but then I actually ended up capitalizing around that 41 pip, 42 pip area. So that was a really good trade, and I'm very happy that I was patient and let this trade play out to my take profit. So we're hitting bangers again. I don't know what I'm going to do coming up here yet. I think I'm going to let this play out for a little bit longer. Check news. I don't think there's anything huge coming up besides holiday weekend or holiday week. So I'm probably going to trade Tuesday, trade Wednesday, and then be done the rest of the week, because Thursday, market's closed anyways. And then Friday is a half day in the market, so there's no point in really trading that. Liquidity's not going to be there, so take the rest of the day off. So half week here. And Monday was a check, a big old bang. And we're going to move on to the next day of this week and just continue to look for these kinds of setups and just capitalize off of them. I hope you guys had an amazing trade today, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, it means the world to leave a thumbs up, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your days, and good luck trading tomorrow, and I'll see you all on the other side. Peace.